Hey guys, what's up? This is Raspy. Today I'll be covering a song for you on the ukulele. This is Interlude Moving On by Paramore. Let 'em have their time, sit back and let 'em shine. Let 'em rise and rise, 'cause one day they're gonna fall. Let 'em soak in the sun, sit back and let 'em have their fun. Let 'em spill their guts, 'cause one day they're gonna slip on 'em. Well, I could be angry, but you're not worth the fight. And besides, I'm moving on. I've counted to 10 and I'm feeling alright. And besides, I'm moving on. Let 'em play their songs, let 'em say what's right and wrong. Let 'em do their thing, 'cause they'll never be you and me. We got our own style, we got a way of living life, and if they can't get down, well, we don't need them around. Well, I could be angry, but you're not worth the fight. And besides, I'm moving on. I've counted to 10 and I'm feeling alright. And besides, I'm moving, yes, I'm moving. Besides, I'm moving on. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you dig it. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.